Hi everybody, my name is Azuddin. Welcome to Unlock Your Financial Freedom channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and active the notification button. So let's jump into it.
The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, or as many investors call him, the father of the investing books. During the last 100 years, Benjamin Graham presented the most powerful strategy that any investor may need to success. Like Warren Buffett, the best investor in our time, who said, "At age 19, I read a book, The Intelligent Investor, and what I'm doing today, at age 76, is running things through the same thought process I learned from the book I read at 19. Mr. Graham described in this book the successful tools to use in the stock market and how you can deal properly with it. Starting by giving the definition of the stock market, which you own a part of the company, not just a ticker symbol combined with price tag. It's an ownership interest in a business. Then he moved to explain when and how we invest in the stock, which is to invest only if you would feel comfortable to hold the stock in the future without seeing the daily changing prices. As Warren Buffett said, if you are not willing to own a stock for 10 years, do not even think about owning it for 10 minutes. After that, in how we invest part, Mr. Graham gave us rules to follow as defensive investors by diversify our portfolio with the stock and bonds, 50% for each. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. And establish safe entrance to the market. Then remember always the rule number 1, which is don't lose money, because you are not married with any stock. If it's go down than 2%, accept loss and step out. But before that, he give us the magic formula to value any stock and know if it's overvalued or undervalued, called intrinsic value, with EPS as an earning per share and G as an expected growth for the next 10 years. Intrinsic value plus 50% as a margin of safety allow us to reduce the risk of being wrong in our evaluation. However, he explained that we don't need to take higher risk to achieve higher rewards. And also, he described the importance of patience, discipline, and learning in any investor personality, simply because the stock market is a device for transforming money from the impatient to the patient people.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope that video will help you to develop your life. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe.